Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here for a bright and early showdown in Pearland, Texas. We're here with the Carculture. They always put on a phenomenal show, as you've seen in the past videos. A lot of cool stuff we've seen rolling in here, but we are about an hour late to the show, so we're gonna really just jump right into it. Alright, let's check it out. Not really the way you see a GTR set up with the off-road package. Some off-road lights, a lift on it, the roll bars on the sides. Yeah, kind of cool. Still a GTR, so I got some of the imports over here. Of the Type R's. Nicely done Mark IV Supra on the raised wheels. Nicely clean. Automatic. The left-hand driver with the Mark V behind it. Oh, we have the Slam C5 Corvette with the huge supercharger on it. Pretty cool. I haven't seen a Slam like this before. Two of my favorite Porsches, the GT3 RS, or the GT3, and then we got the GT2 RS next to it. Always a favorite, the center lock wheels. Such a cool feature. Then we got the GT3. With the center lock wheels as well. Man, we're gonna help get those brakes up. And we got some Ferraris here, the SF90. Starting to see these more often now. Got some sweet Huracans over here. 21 inches on this one. And we got the new one, more stock one. And we got Ghost GT3 over here. Brand new GT3. Sweet color on it. Got this new McLaren over here. It's one sweet interior. Got the McLaren GT badge right in the middle there. Nice little Aventador showing up a little late, but showing up in style. Got some newer 911 turbos, GT3s. I got supercharged S2000 here, looking super nice. And we got some RXFs. These things are sweet. TVS Motors showed up with their RX-7. Always a fan for me to look over right-hand FD. Some other cars we got down here. Some Shelby Cobras. Nice little E-Wagon, E63 AMG with the roof rack and everything. Got some C8s over here, C7. One of my favorites, Adult Z. Can you tell this guy likes Superman? Wow. Really went all for it. Pretty cool. Sweet little back setup here. The subs in the ham. Man, pretty sweet Impala. Keep fingers clear. Family car, but American muscle. So you have to have the big meats on the back. Seen a Tesla for off-roading. Man, nuts. sauce, man.
So here we have a lineup. We have the old 2JZ Supra with the newer one, which I love both of them. And I think they're really amazing. And I just love this lineup. These 911 turbos are crazy. But you know it's on a different level. Yeah, the Nismo. The GTR Nismo. That GT3 also looks